Does your payment processor get in the way of your business? It's a struggle to reconcile mismatched data. Getting the answers you need to manage your business or resolve chargebacks can be almost impossible. And the hidden fees? Don't get us started. You deserve a better payment processing solution. That's why we created CampLife Pay, a PCI-compliant, integrated payment processing service that eliminates the need for an external processor. That means payments, sales transactions, accounting, and reporting all happen within CampLife. Managing everything in one place streamlines bank reconciliations, making it easier to see exactly where payments come from. No more guesswork. And even better, our award-winning customer success team answers all your payment questions with the same quality you've come to expect from CampLife. Set up CampLife Pay and start reclaiming your business.